the my this dog. Okay, so um these are the most of the users thing we basically use into the document file. Okay, now let's go with the another file. That one is called the uh, Excel workbook. So if I select the Excel workbook, okay, so in the Excel workbook, if you work into the Google Sheet, so you will see like uh, most of the things are similar. So here you can see that like if you want to change the name of the uh, this file, the same thing, you can just simply here you can change the name of the file. So let's say I want to like get the status update of everyone's work. Okay, so like I give the name team uh, work action items tracker, something like this. Okay, so here you can also change the sheet name. So the sheet name like here mm, theme A. Okay, so now here we can like give the um column name, like name, then designation, and then activities. Okay, activities and status. Okay, so let's say I want to just make it a little bit larger, 14, bold, and also just drag it and make it a little bit larger also. Okay, and also just give a background color here. Okay, it's looking good. Okay, so now and make all this into the center. Okay, so here let's say we want to add okay, let me put some name here. So it's a like Fahmid Khan, then Fahmida Faria, Farhana, then Nur Jahan Fauzia. Okay, so like we have our member's name here, then we can put the designation here. Okay, so let's say you if you want to select the designation from here. Okay, right now I can write here like PO or the software engineer SE or the SQA. Okay, so we can write like this, or what you can do, I can add here a drop down. Okay, and from the drop down they will be like whoever will work in this Excel file, they can select simply from the drop down. So how can we do this? So select this. Okay, select all this, then go to the data, and here mm, click on the data validation. Okay, and after that like click here, where is the list? Here is the list. Okay, and in cell drop down, okay, insert the value. So the value is like PO comma, and then SE software engineer SQA. Okay, then also uh ops engineer, something like this. Okay, then if I click on the apply, okay, here I can see like I want to Famid Khan is the PO, then Famida Faria is the software SQA, Farana is the software engineer. Okay, Fauji is also the PO. See, so you can simply select on this column, you can simply select from the drop down. Okay, and it's basically we do this so that we can add the information frequently, and also we can filter out. Like I want to get all the POs of these, like I have 1,000 data here. Okay, let's say I just copy this and paste here, paste here. Okay, so let's say I have so many data here. Okay, and I want to just only filter out the SQA members, okay, or the PO members. Okay, so what I can do, simply click on the filter. See, then here you can see all there, you will get the, there is an icon, and if you select here you can sort it out. So let's say I want to sort only PO, so just deselect all of this, just keep the PO on the mark and click on the apply. See, now you can see only the PO members here. Okay, and if you want to just again like remove the sorting, just click on the select all and apply, you will see all the data again. Okay, so this is how we can easily like filter out by using the filtering, you can sort out the uh, data easily. Okay, and also if I want to make it all the here into the center, just click here and it will show me into the center of the cell. Okay, so now for the activities, you can like we can write down the activities here. We can put here some information, let's say like create an Excel file. Okay, so here if you press enter, see it's going into the next cell. Okay, so let's say I want to add in the same cell. Why it's not selecting? Okay, let's say I want to add some information, more information in the same cell. Okay, so to go, like I want to add a new line inside the cell. How can I do this? Just press hold the alter and enter. See, it's adding a new line into the same cell. So if I write here, create an Excel file, then rename the file name, then alter enter, then bring the team members information. Okay, so see, so in the same cell, you can like by pressing alter enter, you can add more line and you can add the information. Okay. So now, and also here, like for the status, let's say I want to select this and then the data, and then what is the data validation? Here is the data validation, any value list, and here like um to do. Okay, I'm just putting the, sorry, what the, why it's doing like this. Okay, to do comma, then doing or work in progress. Oh, I think we can't use the shift here, so weep, work in progress and done. Okay, let's say apply this. So now here I just, it's like work in progress. Okay, and paste it here, paste it here, paste it here, paste it here. Okay, so let's say this one is the work in progress, this one is the you need to do, you need to done. Okay, so let's say based on the like status, I want to put a condition, like I want to put a specific color on this. So for that, what we can do, we can add a condition here. So let me select this and just keep the status unselect, then go to the home again, then here is the conditional formatting. Okay, then I can like create a new rule here. Okay, so here the cell value, or like is if I select the specific text containing, Okay, to do. Okay, if it is